Mic check.
Yes, sir.
Howdy, howdy, loud and clear.
Loud and clear, help me.
Yep.
All right.
Keep my door open so we get some ventilation.
All right. Flaps up. Let's see if I still remember how to do this.
Like riding a bike. A bike that hurls itself through the sky.
Whatever, potato, potato.
Yeah, same thing. Ground, airplane.
Thank you. If this thing will ever load up.
Or what?
Oh, no, there we go.
Oh.
My, my iPad is, shall we say, a bit senior.
A bit senior. It's had its day.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Okay, we're going to load ground on 121.7. That's loaded. 120. We have tower on the other one? Yep, 125. No, we don't.
That's practice area, we're PA 28.
Other one.
Arrow, 2 Golf Alpha.
What is it? 125.7.
25.7.
2 Golf Alpha, Roger, runway 7, taxi via Golf, and you say you had Delta.
Now we're going to load ATIS and practice area on the other one.
2 Golf Alpha.
You can listen to it by hitting COM 2.
Arrow 2 Golf Alpha, that's
I'll
runway.
just go ahead and switch over.
North Las Vegas Tower, information Delta, time 2253 Zulu, wind, temperature 17, dew point -08, altimeter 3005. Visual approach runway 128 in use, landing and departing runway 1 to right, 1 to left, and 7. Clearance deliveries on ground control frequency 121.7. Hazardous weather information available on flight devastation frequencies. NOTAMs, obstruction tower light 0.7 nautical miles east of North Las Vegas at 84 feet, AGL out of service. Obstruction crane 1.5 nautical miles southwest of North Las Vegas at 140 feet, AGL out of service. Hail flashing lights indicate you're approaching an active runway. ATC clearance is required. Simultaneous operations are being conducted to parallel and crossing runways. Group back all runway assignments and hold short instructions. Advise on the initial contact you have received. Delta. North Las Vegas Tower, information Delta, time 2253 Zulu, wind, temperature 17, dew point -08, altimeter 3005. Visual approach runway 128 in use, landing and departing runway 1 to right, 1 to left, and 7. Clearance deliveries on ground control frequency 121.7. Hazardous weather information available on flight devastation frequencies. NOTAMs, obstruction tower light 0.7 nautical miles east of North Las Vegas at 84 feet, AGL out of service. Obstruction crane
Good with this?
1.5
almost.
miles
Okay.
southwest
Are you
of
good?
North Las Vegas at 140 feet, AGL out of service. Hail flashing lights indicate you're approaching an active runway. ATC clearance is required. Simultaneous operations are being conducted to parallel and crossing runways. Group back all runway assignments and hold short instructions. Advise on the initial contact you have received. Delta. North Las Vegas Tower, information Delta, time 2253 Zulu, wind, temperature 17, dew point -08, altimeter 3005. Visual approach runway 128 in use.
Alrighty. 3005. Okay, we're set. Looking for one more.
What are you looking for?
The practice area, freak.
It'll be here, intensive VFR practice area monitor 122.75.
Gotcha. 122.75.
Yep.
Okay, so we can go ahead and switch this.
Yep. It'll be this button right here.
Ah.
And what we could also do too is once we talk to ground and we're switched on with tower, we can keep that on COM 1 just so we're not fumbling between the two of them.
Gotcha.
Kind of a best practice for you.
All right. Yeah, I need to get reacquainted with all that.
All the Phoenix.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to call ground to get our clearance. What are we going to tell ground?
We're going to tell them who we are, where we are, and what we intend to do, which is a northwest departure to the practice area, I believe.
And what we have.
Delta.
Formation Delta.
All right, here we go. Good afternoon, North Las Vegas ground. Cessna 734 X-Ray Hotel is with you at Flyride Aviation with information Delta, requesting northwest departure to the practice area.
Cessna 734 X-Ray Hotel, North Las Vegas, ground runway 7, taxi via Golf.
Runway 7, taxi via Golf, 734 X-Ray Hotel.
All right.
Here we go. All right, brakes released. Gonna run it up a little bit. Brake test complete.
All right, brakes work.
We have a van in the front. All right.
Getting yourself reacquainted?
Yeah. Trying to find the center line again. Always had trouble with that. It's weird. All right, we have a little bit of room here. So the compass is erect and moving freely.
Let's go ahead and wait to do the instrument taxi check until we're pretty much out of the movement area.
Okay, gotcha.
Just because diverting our attention right now, people
Probably
tend to
a bad
pop
idea,
out
right?
and the full trucks tend to move and all that
Gotcha.
fun stuff.
Whoa, is that a bush plane?
Yeah, dude, it flew in.
That's awesome.
It's here for his... Here to watch his daughter's cheerleading practice.
Let's see where we're gonna go.
Yep. So if you go ahead and follow this yellow line, we're gonna fly in front of these airplanes between the bush plane and the King Air.
Gotcha.
And then we're gonna make a left on still in the non-movement area, but kind of parallel in taxiway Delta.
Got it.
Northwestbound departure.
Cessna 48440, North Las Vegas, ground runway 7, taxi via Golf.
Runway 7, taxi via Golf, 48440.
Car, 2 o'clock.
Yep.
Nice.
Anytime we're approaching the intersection, we're looking left, looking right, making sure we're clear of any traffic.
Copy that. Alright, we're gonna move. Yeah. Oop. Alright, we're gonna do our
Now's a good time to do that.
taxi checklist. The compass is erect and moving freely. There it is. Attitude indicator is good. The altimeter is set to the local altimeter setting. Let's see, turn coordinator is corresponding with the turn. Hold on.
How do you check to make sure that your altimeter has the correct setting? So are we comparing that against anything right now?
Negative.
We're making sure that it's within 75 feet of field elevation.
Right.
So that just kind of sets you up to make sure that, hey, we possibly didn't like mishear the altimeter setting or anything of that nature.
Okay.
So always kind of taking a peek. We know that 2205 is airport elevation here at VGT.
Sure.
It's spot on.
All right.
Just verifying to make sure that we're on.
Cool. And our current coordinator is set to the compass.
Yep, heading indicator matches our compass, indicates our known heading, 300. Magnetic compass is free and fluid.
Okay, and our vertical speed is 0. Dang, how do you say?
Vertical speed indicator?
Yep, vertical indicator speed indicates 0. If it doesn't, we'll use that as the 0.
Good.
And that is our taxi checklist complete.
Taxi checklist complete. Continuing on to runway 7 at Golf.
Sir. All right, I see a 152 doing a run up.
They're such small airplanes.